Very good. All right, fun or weird fact, whatever you want to call it. 75% of people think that you should eat your bunny ears first. Very convenient for your cupcake too. As you know, my name is Mariana. I am the founder of Bunnie Cakes, the first vegan cupcake in Miami. Today we're gonna, as I say, we're gonna do the bunny cupcakes, and the first thing we're gonna do is, of course, bake your cupcake. We're gonna start baking the cupcakes, and the first thing is cupcake liners in your cupcake tray. I'm using this pink cupcake liner. This is an activity that you can make with everyone because it's very easy and you will be surprised. And the kids love it. The cupcakes that we're gonna bake, of course, are vegan, and the cute thing about this is that they are perfect and safe for everyone. Vegan, why? Because they don't have eggs, they don't have dairy, they don't have any animal products. And the thing, like I say, is that you can include everyone. This is not free, very convenient, and you're gonna squeeze it into each of the cupcake holes. This is the easiest thing that you can find to make your vegan cupcakes. When they ask you in school, please bring something allergy-free, this is it. You can order this pouch online. I took this out of the fridge. I put this batter on each of my cupcake holes, and they're ready. I'm gonna take this to the oven, and when I come back, we're gonna decorate them with the bunny ears, and you're gonna see they're gonna look amazing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you now what we need to top and finish the cupcakes and make them a beautiful bunny. What we need is vegan marshmallows. The medium size is better and it looks better. Different type of color sugars. You can use pink. I have this natural color rainbow sugar that is very cute, and I have crystal or clear sugar, which is also, it's gonna look really cute. We have our signature heart bunny cakes. They're pink natural color hearts. These ones are the cutest. For this particular recipe, we're gonna use 5 colors of vegan buttercream to put on top of each cupcake. So, ready, bake, they smell delicious. And the next step is to put the frosting on top. All right, so we're ready with all the sugar you need. Look guys, look how soft and delicious my frosting looks. Vegan frosting is vegan butter, and my favorite, the powdered vegan sugar from Florida Crystal, which I love, is non-GMO, is kosher, and is certified organic, and is exactly what we need to finish our frosting. And the next step is to put the frosting on top. For that, we're gonna use a piping bag. This is vegan frosting. We're gonna go around the cupcake from the outside to the inside. Grab some scissors, cut your marshmallow, and then the ears is where we're gonna put some of the sugars. Look at the magic. This is gonna be on top of the cupcake. Now we're gonna do the eye. Grab a piece of fondant, squeeze it, and you're gonna put it on, and it's gonna be an eye. These are the whiskers, what I do. Super simple. This is the first bunny. So for the next cupcake, we're gonna grab 2 different colors of frosting. Around, to top them, we can put some hearts on each of these cupcakes. And there you have them. All right guys, so we are done. They came out cute, super easy. And this one, look the bunny, how cute. Thank you so much for being here with me. Please subscribe, like the video, and follow us on social media, and follow us here. Subscribe to Bunnie Cakes.